Hello, Mark Sturdy here with another extract from 7 Days Ahead's weekly technical analysis on major world markets. And if you look at our summary page, you'll see that in fact we don't have a strong view on any of these markets at the moment, largely, not wholly, but largely to do with the uncertainties of the short-term situations. And one such example I think would be interesting was the S&P 500 of how we are standing back. The broad long-term picture, the context of the short-term, the long-term context is this bull trend from 2009 or so. The market pulled back and rallied again to try and look at this prior high and failed. If we look at the weekly chart, you'll see that the old highs are 48,000 odd, and the rally from 2022 got as far as 4,600. Since the July of this year, we've been pulling back, and the test of this rally from 2022 was whether the market could get through the support from these prior highs. The test of any bull trend is whether the market can break down through prior highs. Not just the diagonal, but prior highs. Prior highs tend to be more important than diagonals. The market tested this band of support from these prior highs of 4208 to 4150 and bounced quite dramatically the week before last. Here's the bounce in greater detail. So for the bulls, this was a relief that this bull trend is intact, and indeed the wider bull trend is intact. They need more evidence, though, short term. In particular, they want to see the market break up through this resistance, the prior low, because this is a little bear trend, and the test of a bear trend is whether the market can break up through the prior lows, where it's failed once before. So the bulls need not just, this is comforting, the wider context is comforting, they need the further comfort, the short-term evidence of bullishness with a break up through 43.97. We may be doing that. It takes a few more. I think we need a break up through this and a close above this prior high, which is 44.25 or so. Until we get that, let's look at the short. Oh, we don't. That is the short-term chart. I beg your pardon. Until we get that, there'll be uncertainty as to whether the bull bounce, the relief from this bounce from the support here, can be continued. Hence our uncertainty. Thanks very much.